If your Kia Sportage just clicks or stays silent when you turn the key, let's find the fault in under 3 minutes. Statistically, 7 out of 10 no-start issues are just simple battery or terminal problems that you can fix yourself. Before you call a tow truck, we need to systematically isolate the electrical path. Start by checking your battery terminals, testing your key fob proximity, and ensuring the shifter is fully in park. Focus your search on these 3 areas: the battery, the starter relay, or a faulty ground strap. If the basics check out, you might be dealing with a worn starter motor or an immobilizer system error. Try cleaning your terminals and checking your fuses first, but leave ECU work or starter replacement to the pros. Costs vary wildly, but a simple relay fix is significantly cheaper than a full starter motor replacement. If you have a multimeter, perform a voltage drop test to confirm if power is actually reaching the starter motor. Keep a basic wrench set, a multimeter, and a scanner in your trunk to handle most roadside electrical issues. Always remember to disconnect the negative battery terminal before you start poking around the starter or any wiring. Follow these steps to narrow down your problem and get back on the road. Subscribe for more expert repair guides.